So when I was a kid, one of the things I'd like to have for breakfast, kind of as a treat, would be either sunny side up eggs or soft boiled eggs. And what we would do is soft boil the egg, and when it was done, we'd put it in like a shot glass of some sort, or something that was a small glass. You would break away the top, cut off the egg, flip it over, and salt each side, and you'd get pieces of toast and cut them into strips, and you would dunk it, eat it, and then when you were done, you would get a spoon and scoop out the inside. So that's what I'm going to do today, so stick around. So I'm going to put a piece of tin foil in here just in case the egg bursts. It'll kind of contain the mess. Pop it in. Going to do about 320 for 7 minutes. And from my understanding is, if you air fry an egg, if you're gonna try to release the shell easier, you need to dip it in water afterwards, otherwise the shell really sticks to it. Usually you boil an egg, so that's usually not an issue. So let's start this and see what happens. Next up, pick your favorite bread. This is just honey wheat bread. Probably need about 2 slices. There's something hidden back there I don't use often anymore. Toaster oven. Been thinking about replacing it with an air fryer oven that can do all of the above. I usually toast this for about 6-7 minutes, so I think this is a perfect opportunity to start it along with the egg. And it's the bread by here. Okay, we're going to take out this egg and put it in the water. Don't forget to unplug your air fryer, folks. Okay, while the egg's cooling a little bit. An easy way to do this if you have a pizza cutter, but I'm just going to use a knife. But hey, if you like a pizza cutter, use a pizza cutter. One thing you could do is just cut one piece of bread, and if you have leftover, you can just butter that and have toast with butter on the other piece. But I'm going to cut them all in little slices here. There we go. Okay, let's take that egg out of there. And we have our own shot glass. So this is how it would be presented to you on a plate, or how we would do it anyway. So let's crack the top of this egg. A lot of it's cracking off. The shell appears to be pretty thin. Okay, so the egg doesn't look pretty, but we're going to cut the top off here. You can see that coming out. There we go. Get a little salt. The salt shake is a little heavy, so I'm just going to do it by hand. First things first, let's dip and take a taste. Almost like Mama used to make. That's good. I like that. Can't forget the top of the egg. That's good. I'm making a mess. Soft boiled eggs are like that. Now when you're done dunking and eating, you're not done yet. Grab yourself a spoon. And scoop yourself out some egg whites. Sorry. Messy, but good. Anyway, I don't know if this was much as an Italian thing, but I remember in the household, it was a treat for me, and it was fun to eat. Apparently I only needed one piece of bread, but if you make two, put a little butter on it, have yourself some toast and butter. That's it. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one. What did you think a kid would do in a shot class? Drink